Hello and welcome back everyone. So today we are at Sombrio Beach. We're going to go try to find the hidden waterfall and we're going to have a little picnic down by the water. So we'll take you along the journey and we'll see you out there. So the trail down isn't very long, but it's really nice. It has lots of trees, ferns, and that overall West Coast vibe.
Yeah, he knows all the bear cache.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the church, oh yeah.
Campfire ban is in effect.
Not like I didn't go in, I just somebody was
Sombrio.
sand cut. Sand cut is really nice. This one is a nice one.
This cave? Yeah, it's cool. The walk to the waterfall feels a bit like an adventure. You just follow the creek for a bit, and then there's a little opening in the rocks that leads to a cave with a waterfall inside. After exploring for a bit, we just set up a picnic on the beach and hung out for a while. It was a very chill afternoon, eating, watching the waves, and just relaxing. Okay. Alright, I've got a Black Forest ham sandwich. See?
With cranberries.
It's got ham and lettuce and cheese and cranberries and mayonnaise. It's gonna be super yummy. Right, Anthony?
It will be.
Just kidding, I already had half the sandwich. I wonder if those kids are going to the hidden waterfall.
Okay, well, grouped over there again, but
Alright, so we are probably going to call it quits here pretty soon. It's been a very fun day, but the sun is starting to set and we are now done our picnic. We found the hidden waterfall and we're ready to call it in, or we're ready to call it a night. So thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this one, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we've got more Vancouver Island adventures coming soon. We'll see you in the next one.